Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular options for those living in small spaces or on the go: the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the 13L folding mini washer. We'll dive into their features, capacities, and overall performance to see which one stands out in the world of compact laundry solutions. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY portable washing machine offers a significant advantage with its 12 pounds washing capacity and 8 pounds spinning capacity, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the 13L folding mini washer is designed for smaller items with a capacity of only 10 liters, which is approximately 2 pounds. This makes the COSTWAY unit ideal for couples or small families, while the folding mini washer is better suited for individuals or travelers needing to wash delicate items. In terms of portability, the 13L folding mini washer excels with its lightweight design of just 4.17 pounds and a foldable structure, making it perfect for travel and small living spaces. On the other hand, the COSTWAY portable washing machine weighs 29 pounds and has a larger footprint, which may limit its mobility. If you're looking for something to take on the road or store easily, the folding mini washer is the clear winner. When it comes to power and efficiency, the COSTWAY portable washing machine boasts a total power output of 440 W, allowing it to handle larger and heavier loads effectively. In contrast, the 13L folding mini washer operates on a mere 10 W, which is sufficient for light cleaning, but may struggle with heavily soiled items. Therefore, if you need a machine that can tackle everyday laundry, the COSTWAY is the better option, while the folding mini washer is more suited for quick, light washes. In conclusion, the choice between the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the 13L folding mini washer ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require a robust machine for regular laundry, the COSTWAY is the way to go. However, if portability and convenience are your top priorities, the 13L folding mini washer is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like